Fibonacci heap. Fibonacci heap is a collection of min-heap ordered tree. The tree in Fibonacci heap are not constrained to be binomial tree. So, first to know what is a Fibonacci heap, we should know what is a min heap, what is a binomial tree and what is a binomial heap. So first we will discuss about what is a min heap. This is an example of a Fibonacci heap. Here is some marked and unmarked nodes that we will discuss it later. Now I will explain you what is a min heap. Here you can see there is a kind of tree structure. This is a heap, min heap. Here all the nodes, root nodes will be less than the children. Then it is called a min heap. We will understand the concept of binomial heap. Binomial heap is a collection of binomial trees satisfies min heap property. So binomial heap will only have a binomial tree and that should also be a min heap. So first we have to know what a binomial tree is. Binomial tree represented as BK is an ordered tree defined recursively. So when it comes to B0, B0 is a binomial tree that consists of a single node. And we will understand the concept of binomial heap. Binomial heap is a collection of binomial trees satisfies min heap property. So binomial heap will only have a binomial tree and that should also be a min heap. So first we have to know what a binomial tree is. Binomial tree represented as BK is an ordered tree defined recursively. So when it comes to B0, B0 is a binomial tree that consists of a single node and the height of this node K is 0. And when it comes to BK in general, K is 1, 2, 3, etc. When it comes to K, we can say that BK consists of two binomial trees, BK minus 1 and BK minus 1. Here when it comes to B1, K will be 1. So BK minus 1 represents that there will be two binomial trees of B1 minus 1, B1 minus 1. That is, there will be two B0 binomial trees. That is the structure of a B1 binomial tree. The same way when it comes to B2, there will be two B1 binomial trees. When it comes to B3, then there will be two B2 binomial trees. So, the height of these binomial trees are, this will be 0, 1. The height of B1 binomial tree is 1 and the height of B2 binomial tree is 2. According to its height, we can say the number of nodes. 2 raised to k is the number of nodes in each binomial tree. K represents the height. So here when it comes to 0, the height of this is 0, B0. So 2 raised to k, 2 raised to 0, there will be only one node. When it comes to 1, 2 raised to 1, there will be 2 nodes. When it comes to 2, there will be 2 raised to 2, 4 nodes. We said that binomial heap is a collection of binomial trees. So there will be a collection of binomial trees linked together. And it should also be a min heap. So we can create it like this: 3, 7, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is a binomial heap which follows the property of a binomial tree and also it is a min heap. There is some specialities of a binomial heap. One is that it should always contain a min heap only. Then other comes that it should be in an ordered way. When it comes here, B0, B1, B2. It is a collection of binomial trees. It should not be in a order like B0, B2, B1. It should not come in that order. B0, B1, B2, B3. It should come in the same order. We can skip any one in between like B0, then comes B2. There is no B1. That is okay, but we should not go with an unordered manner. And also in the root list there will be no two root nodes with same degree. So the degree of a node is the number of children it has. Here the degree is 0, here degree is 1, it has two children, so degree is 2. So this binomial heap doesn't have any root node with same degree. That is the property of a binomial heap. We have said that Fibonacci heap is a collection of min heap and it is not constrained to binomial trees. That means all the trees will be in a min heap structure, and also it is not always necessary that all the trees will be a binomial tree. Now we will see the properties of Fibonacci heap. We represent Fibonacci heap as H. And first property is many trees same degree. That means more than one tree can have the same degree. In binomial heap we said that more than one tree cannot have same degree. Here the degree of this is 0, this is 0, 3, 0 and 2. Here one root has same degree and no 2 raised to k nodes. We said that binomial tree will always have 2 raised to k nodes. Here it is not applicable because all the trees here is not binomial tree, so it is not applicable to here. So second property is it is rooted but unordered. That means every node is rooted like this, but it is not unordered. It means in binomial heap we said that it should follow a order B0, B1, B2, B3. It is not applicable in the case of a Fibonacci heap. Third comes the roots and siblings are circular, doubly linked. It means that in memory representation, this Fibonacci heap is represented as a circular linked list that will be linked to each of these right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and this will be connected here and this will be connected to here. The same way all the child is also connected this way. This will be connected here, this will be connected here. When there is no other one to connect, it will connect itself. This is the memory representation of a Fibonacci heap. So it is said that it is circular, doubly linked. Next comes each node has degree. Each node in a Fibonacci heap has a degree. The degree will be equal to number of children it has. And fifth property is mark x equal to true or false. Here I have said that there is marked nodes and unmarked nodes. Marked nodes will always be true and unmarked nodes will always be false. And when we create a new node, then it will be unmarked. And there are some terminologies in the Fibonacci heap. Min of h. First terminology is min of h. Here we marked a pointer min of h. Min of h will always hold the minimum node. Here in this Fibonacci heap 3 is the minimum value. So min h will always hold the minimum value. Next comes n of h. N of h will always hold the number of nodes in the Fibonacci heap. And third one is the m of h. M of h is the number of marked nodes in this. Here 1, 2, 3 nodes are marked. So m of h will be 3. Next is the fourth one is T of h. T of h is the number of rooted nodes. This is the rooted list and the number of nodes in this is the number of total rooted nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case it will be 5. Fifth one is the phi of h. Fifth terminology is phi of h. It is the potential function. It is used to analyze the performance of a Fibonacci heap. It is calculated as of H plus 2 into M of H. In this case, P of H is 5 and M of H is 3. So it will be 5 plus 2 into 3 will give 11. So phi of H is the potential function and it is used to analyze the performance of a Fibonacci heap, and it is calculated using this formula.